はい、今はマイアミグランプリナスカーのファンの人だったらもう目が離せない最終戦ですね。チャンピオンズみたいなそこに来てます。マイアミホームステッドにいます。
今日はプロフェッショナルチャンピオンですよ。
Fans, are you ready to meet the starting lineup for today's Monster Energy NASCAR Cup Series Championship Ford EcoBoost 400?
His third win at the Talladega Superspeedway.
Stay tight! Pushing in the wall!
Here comes the 18. He puts all the momentum. Kyle Busch will score the win
in a slugfest between two NASCAR heavyweights. Kevin Harvick lands the last punch over Kyle Busch. He will win at New Hampshire.
Martin Truex Jr. The owner of the most wins since 2015, hoping to capture his second championship in 4 years, driving the number 18 M&M's Toyota from Las Vegas, Nevada, presenting Kyle Busch.
Checking out the ISM Visions.
Kyle Larson. Here comes Busch to the bottom of the racetrack. He wants a shot at Truex for the lead.
the best team all year long can now celebrate a championship. Truex Jr. is a champion. He's also a race winner as he scores the win in the Ford EcoBoost 400.
Gentlemen, please rise and remove your hats. Here to perform God Bless America.
The prairies, through the oceans, white with foam. God bless America.
Who's brought stripes and bright stars to the perilous fight? O'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say Star-Spangled Banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
from the 93rd Fighter Squadron, Homestead-Miami. here at the Homestead-Miami Speedway. On behalf of NASCAR fans everywhere, Mr. Visser, we thank you for all you've done for this sport and what your organization has done for NASCAR. All right, race fans, time to get up on your feet, get your hats going, get your towels ready. Maybe you got a jacket for later, you want to put it up in the air and start waving it around. Folks, we're coming down to the green flag here for the Ford EcoBoost 400. It'll be Denny Hamlin pacing the field down to the line, along with Kyle Busch on the outside. They come in the Geico restart zone, and green flag is in the air for the Ford EcoBoost 400. And so far, it's Denny Hamlin jumping out in front.
Side by side for Ford. Who's going to lead lap number 1 here this afternoon? It will be the pole sitter, Denny Hamlin, then Kyle Busch, then